If you've ever wondered, how do you make a difference and help people? I used to do the same. But then something happened that turned my wish into a reality. Hi, I'm Kathy Vu, and a few years ago, I just wanted to do something to help my family's finances. Never had I thought, I was going to create a digital product and build an online business. That was the furthest thing from my mind. I didn't know the first thing about building an online course. But something happened in my life. I found something that changed my family's finances. From worrying if we would have enough money to send our kids to college, plus were we going to retire on time? From that, it changed to being able to send 4 kids to college debt-free plus early retirement. So when I found it, I knew I needed to tell others so that they could have the same. But what ended up happening was not easy to do. Several years ago, I had left my career to be a stay-at-home mom. We weren't struggling, but we also weren't getting ahead. To make up for not having a paycheck from being at home, I was investing in the stock market, and I did it for years with not much to say about it. But then I found Bitcoin, and that was the game changer for me. That's what helped me pay for my kids' college. It gave me the freedom to retire early, and it gave us financial security. I felt like the whole world needed to know how powerful Bitcoin could be, especially for women. So I built a course to teach it. The problem was, even though I had poured everything into that course, it barely sold. I was endlessly posting on social, trying to shout it from the rooftops, but no one was there to hear me. And it wasn't just discouraging. I felt like I had failed women, the people I was trying to help. Then I found the rise of the digital CEO, James Wedmore's free workshop. And in just those 3 trainings, I finally understood why nothing else had worked, because I had bought other courses to help me teach me build that course before, but it wasn't working. James doesn't just teach how to make a course. He teaches how to make a course that sells, and how to build a business around it that actually makes money selling your course. He gave me the roadmap. I didn't even know that I needed it. And he showed me how to package it in what would be something real and scalable. So his workshop was the thing that moved the needle. Even though, I had gone through other courses and paid thousands of dollars for them, but they didn't help me make the impact that I was dreaming about. So now I'm building a business that's more than just income. It's about impact. I'm changing lives and fulfilling my purpose. I'm helping women take control of their finances. I'm building a legacy for my family, but also helping those women that I help do the same for theirs. And I'm doing it in such a way that fits my life. As a mom, as a woman who values family time, James guided me to build a dream business of my own design. So if you've ever thought, I have something worth sharing, but I don't know how to get it out there, then please don't miss the rise of the digital CEO. It was the first step I took, and I truly believe that it might be yours too. So click the link below to join the free training, because your story has value, and someone out there is waiting for the solution that only you can give. So if you are ready to make a bigger difference, change the world, or even just change one life, click that link. I'll see you there.